Good morning, guys. It's 5:49, June 21, 2025. Time capsule number 7. I'm Vince. This is Uy,
Gab.
giubo man ako, Gab. Pili mo edad na kan, Gab?
8.
8 na. Grade 3 na siya. High school lang sa grade 3. Then nag-morning jogging me. Pero siya nag-bike tara ay tricks. Nya sa mga current event karon, Gab. Nagira ang Iran ug Israel. Nya karon ang prime sa AI. Grabe na kayong AI sa social media. Ang magsugod ng AI ug pakilala. Yan sa yung talent, Gab, karon bago, Gab. Sa may bagong kanta ron. Karong panahon na. Sa mga bagong kanta na kanan. Ano?
I just woke up from a dream.
Muna yung kanta.
And I had to say goodbye. Wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow. So I'm like not like us the last night. Not like us the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Ooh. If the party was over and time on earth was through, ooh, I wanna hold you just for a while. Enjoy with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Yeah. Muna. Nga talent. Tiga na siya kanta. Nya what cloudy day nya umrag uwan na. Murag timing ato jogging, Gab. Murag mo uwan ni. Oh, nice kayong weather sad. Unsa pa may current event karon? June 21 karon no. Dako na kay si Gab, oh. Tinto, Gab. You're so big na. Sa una gamay pa ato time capsule from 1 to 6 karon ako na magbike. Okay, pagbike. Pare siya. Okay, here it goes. Here it goes. Bye bye. See you next time capsule. Kuno okay pa ang panahon. Nya na day kon karon ka ng monkey faxad nag-threaten sa world. So that's it for the current event. Bye bye.